Hello and welcome to my channel Crafted Beauties. Thank you for stopping by. Today I have planned a 5x7 envelope which is very important as a card maker. Whenever you want to give your card, if your envelope is matching to your card, nothing like it. So in market you will get white envelopes or craft paper envelopes, but when you make your envelope on your own, on your matching to your card, it is something, your card will go in different level. So let's get started with our scoring. I have taken the paper of 11 inches by 8 1/4 inches and I am scoring at the mark of 4 inches here, and next score will be 9 1/4 inches, like so, and the third score we don't need it because our paper is 11. And I will rotate my paper and give ½ inch score both the sides. So I am just taking ½ inch mark and scored it, and I'm turning the paper. That way it is easier for me. Otherwise you can do how it was. So this is what these scoring lines we need, and I am just marking with the pencil cross marks where you can see which side of the paper we have to remove. So these sides you have to remove from your scissor or your paper trimmer, and on the score line you just cut. So let me just take out these and come back to you quickly. So after removing our paper, we have left with these thing, and I am just notching that corner to make it little nice and professional. You can round that corner also with your corner punch, or you can take your scissors also. So here I am not rounding that part, I am just rounding the flaps of our envelope. So this is that easy. So if you are liking my video, please quickly hit that like button and do subscribe my channel as well. So it will help to grow, and you will get, if you subscribe, you will get my notifications of new videos. So here I'm just folding the flap which I have made, and now we are almost done with the envelope. See, so quick, and it doesn't take much time. Let me just glue it, you see, and I will come back to you quickly after gluing it. So yeah, we are finished with our gluing. You can use your double-sided tape as well, and we are done. Quickly hit that like button. I'm so happy making this. It is really easy. And if you are making this card, I have my email address in my description. Please send me the pictures and do write how you are liking my videos. Your support is very important for me. These are my initial days for my YouTube channel. I am new to it. Please hit that subscribe button, and I will come back to you with new videos soon. Thank you and bye-bye.